Can you see this caption right here right now? Music playing. This is not a feature of X or Twitter, but it's actually something that's a feature of Google Chrome. Just to prove my point, let me go and check more other videos that we can find online. That is not on YouTube, and without even turning the video's caption. And then, if you're looking down here, you actually see that there's a live caption that popped up on your screen. And although it is not really accurate, it's because it's AI generated and it does not have, we're currently using the English language right now, which is why a Filipino commercial would not have a proper caption. How do we actually see or enable this live caption feature of Google Chrome? So that's what I'm gonna tell you about today. So let's head over here back to Chrome. Welcome back to a video on AI plus more, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can turn on live caption on Google Chrome and what other features can you get from it. What does this accessibility feature have for us in store? What other things can it do? And did you know that you can also use other languages with it? Okay, so where do we actually find it? We find it here on the top right, where it's the error, which is this three triple dots, and then we go down here where we will find settings, and then we look here to the left side of our screen, which is accessibility. Click on that, and then on the very top is live caption. If you see, for me it's currently on because the switch is flicked to on, but if you haven't tried it before, then it will look like this, and you just need to flick the switch and you'll have this. And the first thing that we'll see here is our preferred caption language, what language we want to use. So we only have English right now and not other options to choose from, because we have here on the managed language that we only have English, and we also have the option to hide the profanity. But for now, let's show you how can you add other languages into your live caption, so that when you're watching a Japanese video or Chinese or Korean, you'll be able to see captions with it. So you just need to click here on add language, and let's say I'm gonna go for Japanese, and I'm just gonna click on add, and then it will appear here, but it will take a while for the recognition files to be downloaded. It depends on your internet connection. So it's been downloaded now, and now we can switch it to Japanese. So let's say we're watching a Japanese video on YouTube. So you see here it's English because it's auto-detected, but when it detects that it's Japanese, it actually will show that it's Japanese. So this video has closed captions, but we're not gonna turn that on, and we'll see if the live caption of Google Chrome works while we're watching this. And as you can see, it is actually working, and even the words itself is very much accurate. So it says here, Tadaima rimashita, whatever they said. I can't read this part, but that's what they said. It's accurate. It's the same as what the characters in the show said. That's it. That is how you can enable live captions on Google Chrome. Go ahead and use it to your satisfaction. You can add as much language that you can use, but make sure to choose the preferred languages that you will use. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.